Little Island is a public park that opened in 2021. It is the result of the Diller and Von Furstenberg Family Foundation initiative to repair and reactivate Pier 54 after it was damaged by Hurricane Sandy in 2012. It was designed by UK-based Heatherwick studio and New York-based landscape architecture firm MNLA to provide visitors with an oasis away from the busy city. The design is pretty inclusive. The various viewpoints can all be accessed by stairs, as well as via a ramp. The space hosts events, performances, and art installations. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe for more inspiration like this. I will see you in one of my other videos.